Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If your Keurig keeps shutting off in the middle of brewing, don't worry, you're not alone, and this is usually an easy fix. The most common reason is the auto off feature. Many Keurig models are designed to power down quickly to save energy. If your brewer turns off mid brew, check the settings. On models like the K Select or K Cafe, you can disable auto off by turning the machine off, then holding the strong and 10-ounce buttons together for a few seconds. Another frequent cause is a misaligned water reservoir. Keurig machines rely on sensors to detect water flow. Remove the water tank, reseat it firmly, and make sure it clicks into place. A slightly loose tank can stop the brew cycle instantly. Mineral buildup is another big culprit. Hard water causes scale to clog internal lines, forcing the machine to shut down. Descale your Keurig every 3 to 6 months using a descaling solution or vinegar and water. If scaling is heavy, repeat the process. If the problem continues, check the exit needle. Coffee grounds can clog it, disrupting water flow. Carefully clean it with a paperclip. Also, some thicker K cups don't puncture easily. Press them down firmly or pre-puncture them before brewing. Finally, try a full reset. Unplug the machine, remove the water tank, wait a few minutes, then reconnect everything. If none of these fixes work, it may be time to contact Keurig support or consider upgrading your brewer.